Hey y'all, welcome back to Kel's Crazy Kids. Today I am going to do the unboxing. As you can see right here, the twins, Laurel and Holly. I got this at a discounted price on Amazon earlier in the week for only $19. $19. I have been waiting to get the girls only because I really wanted the trunks. They give you 2 trunks. But these dolls are gorgeous in person. Look how pretty. So let's start off with Laurel Devious. She is a 2021 introduced and all-around character. She is a student at Rainbow High along with her twin sister Holly Devious. They are both majoring in performing arts, whether there's new drama or an explosion. Laura and her twin sister are always near. Growing up on the Upper East Side of Manhattan, they always keep an eye out for any drama. Now, her physical appearance, Laurel has a tall and thin teenage body, tight with a pale ivory skin, almond-shaped light brown eyes, along with long eyelashes, arched light brown eyebrows, sparkly warm tone eyeshadows, and thick winged eyeliner and scarlet red lipsticks. Her hair is partially tied up in a high curled ponytail, and she has very light product on her hair, which I think they should do that with all the dolls instead of the hair being so sticky and gluey and matted. Beautiful ringlet curls in the front. And her hair resembles fire in color, having bright streaks of red, orange, and yellow. Now let's move on to her beautiful, fabulous outfit. Her main outfit consists of a white long sleeve crop dress with bow-shaped sleeves. Printed in a metallic gradient of warm tone colors are the words rainbow, magic, and sparkle. Arises with the large R gold statement of earrings. And here are the earrings. One fell out, so I have to try to find it. So I took those out. Her statement earrings paired with a white choker, gold R pendant. Very nice. And her footwear is a strappy sandal with gradient high heel platforms of her theme. As you can see, brings a mini bag that matches with the one her sister has, and here is her purse. Very nice. Let's go over the details of her purse. She has an R and it's Velcro. It did come with a piece of cardboard in it to keep the shape of the bag, but you can take that out and add like accessories to it. Very nice. If you didn't know, she has the 5 points of articulation in the wrist, and look at her beautiful fingernail polish. Very nice. Matches her clothes, you know, her color scheme. And she can bend at the elbow. Arm can come in, out. Very nice. And let's check about her face. Her face can move from side to side, not up, a little bit up and down. I wouldn't force it. And of course her legs bend. They can go all the way back. And I know the legs go outwards. I don't want to mess up her dress. And then her feet. Okay, so we are in her lovely closet, her and her sister's closet. I have not did a review on the closet. That video will be coming right after this video, just FYI. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like and leave us a lovely comment. But here are her second pair of shoes. And they have the fuchsia in the back with RH details. These shoes are really sharp, and then they have the gold point. I would really love to have these as an adult pair of shoes. And at the bottom of this shoe, it is orange and yellow with the yellow heel. These are really, really nice. This is her purse that came with it. And then in the smaller trunk, we have a pair of earrings. And they are, I guess like in the fuchsia. I'm not sure what color these are, but they are supposed to mimic diamonds. Beautiful. So I'm gonna get these in her ears because I don't know where the other RH earring is. Okay, so next up we have the lovely Holly. Now Holly's trunks are silver, and she has a beautiful purple bag. Laurel's twin sister. She's a student at Rainbow High, and just the same characteristics as her sister Laurel. She has a thin teenage body type with pale ivory skin, periwinkle eye color, shadow. Her eyebrows, sparkly icy blue eyeshadow, thick winged eyeliner, and bright red lipstick. Her hair is long and curling, styled on a high ponytail, and is full of many cool tone colors, having various shades of green, blue, and purple. She's really pretty. And her outfit, her main outfit is a long sleeve black crop dress with a bow, shaped sleeves printed in metallic gradient of cool tone colors. The words rainbow, sparkle, and magic cover her dress. Twinning with her sister, she wears a silver H statement earrings, as you can see, and her footwear is a black strap. Let's see if we can shoot. Black strappy sandals with gradient high heel platforms of her theme color. Look how pretty her shoes are. She brings a mini bag. Let's get her bag out. And this is her purse with an H on hers. And Holly is colored indigo with black and silver detail. Her accessories that she got. Okay, so she has the silver acrylic storage boxes, RH. And then she comes with a pair of black shoes. I'm going to leave these in here. Hopefully you can see them. And then she has the purple and the blue on the heels. Very, very fabulous and sharp. And then this is the smaller one. And she comes with a pair of purple diamond earrings. So let's get the girls together. Get your hair out my face. Oh, I didn't mean it. So, here they are, and for $19.99, $10 a piece for these beautiful dolls, and they are going for $49.99, $50 right now retail at the store. I was just so elated to be able to get them at that price. I am stalking Amazon right now. I know Target had them on sale too this week for $19.99, but of course they sold out. I am going to be patiently waiting to get another set, and they will stay in the box. But this is a nice collection for Kel's Crazy Kids. Very nice. And their eyelashes are so beautiful. Like I said, we were collecting Barbies, and when I first was introduced to this by my 9-year-old goddaughter Ariana, she was like, "Nanny, have you heard about Rainbow High?" And I was like, "No, let's get online and see what stuff that they have." And that was back in June, and ever since I have just been ordering everything that pertains to them. So thank you for watching Kel's Crazy Kids, and I will be back with another unboxing. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a lovely like and leave us a lovely comment. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.